All right, well, welcome back to the Superlite coupe build. Another name for it is the Joel K. Zoo. You're looking at our Afghan hound, Jabba, and there's Chewbacca. He's our Newfoundland. Hey, Chewbacca. He's in there because that's where we keep the food. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There he is. So anyway, they keep me company during my time in the garage here, but let me show you what I'm up to. This will be a relatively short video. I want to send the fuel tank off to get welded, and actually the first video I made was cutting this fuel tank apart. You can see I've got the stock Gen 5 fuel pump placed where it's going to go. I want to make sure I get the location, the rotational location of the fuel pump exact, because I have to weld the hat on top of it and I have to tell the welder exactly where it needs to be. What I'm working on now is the fuel pump comes with a integrated fuel sender, and this is the float mechanism. It clamps onto these little plastic pieces in there. And the problem is it interferes or it fouls the side of the fuel tank. So I've come up with an initial mock-up of an updated design, and this is just some scrap metal. The regular metal needs to be stainless and a little thicker. But I basically want to get it to clear this piece and then the float come up to about here. Okay, so I'm going to refine that design a little bit, and then I'll show you what the final design looks like, and then we're going to send this tank off to the welder and we'll take a look at it when it comes back. Okay, well, a few hours later, I think we got it. Let's see, this is the original float rod. I actually added this kink into it. So this, the way it was designed, it sort of came out around here, and it just didn't clear that sidewall. This was version 1. Sort of added these kinks in to shorten it up. Then I cleaned it up a little bit, and this was really the prototype I used, and then got some stainless steel rod and made the final version. I added a little set screw collar to hold the float on. This basically was sort of crimped, but I don't really have a crimper that can press that metal flat enough. I'll grind this tip down. But anyway, we'll take a look at it in the fuel tank. I don't know what we can or can't see, and then we'll call it a wrap. Okay, well, this is where the fuel pump is going to go. And actually, I'm going to angle it so that it's perfectly parallel with the tank. So I'll orient the hat and then tell the welder that's where I want it to be. Let's see, if we take a peek down into the tank, you can see it's far enough away from the back wall, but then it's got to swing. It's got to swing so that it clears the front of the tank. So let's see if we can get a sense for how this will swing. Right up into the corner. So that'll do the job. And just kind of double check to make sure it clears the float bung that I'm going to put in. But anyway, I think I'm good. We're going to send this off to the welder, and then in a follow-on video, we'll show the whole fuel tank area assembled. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.